Chestnut.
Yeah.
I think we are live. Yes, we are live. So, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Kreatryx channel. Welcome to Unacademy, guys. So, please confirm with the audio, guys. We are with the legendary educator of the Unacademy. In fact, the whole country for EMTL subject, Suresh Sir. So, Sir is going to share with you guys the all his experience. So, जैसा हमारे पास 7 months time to prepare your GATE exam, to crack your GATE exam. Is this time is enough to prepare your preparation or not? If you have any queries, also Sir will be clearing you all the doubts, guys. But before that, please confirm my audio is clear for you. Everybody, please comment on it. मेरा ऑडियो और वीडियो सभी क्लियर है? Okay. Suresh sir, please speak, sir. I think let's check the audio once.
Yes. Thank you, Bhima sir, Bhima Sankar sir. Thanks a lot for inviting me here and giving me an opportunity to speak. So, students, this is a very good opportunity for us to discuss whether the next 7 months can be fruitfully used or not. Next 7 months, how to utilize it for cracking GATE exam or EAC exam, whatever your target is. That is what we are going to discuss. So 7 months is sufficiently good time. I hopefully think we have made a very good beginning now. It's not at all late. So I think we'll discuss now. So you can put out your doubts also. Right, students? So tell me if you got any queries. Sir, please tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir. I'm just checking with the students.
Yes.
Audio is fine or
Fine.
not?
Rahul Kumar, my audio is it fine? No, it's not fine. Just checking once my audio settings.
Yes,
it should be fine.
Audio weak.
Okay. Yeah. Just checking my audio setting once.
I think.
No, I'm just checking my audio settings.
Not clear.
Is it fine now?
Guys,
Is
just
it
confirm.
or is it same?
Is it fine? Sir, audio is fine. Clear. Fine.
Right.
Okay.
Audio is fine. Try once again improving it. I think it's fine now. I think it should be fine. Okay. It's only manageable. It's clear now. Oh, thank you. Thank you, students. Right.
Not fine, बोल रहे हैं.
Fine.
Clear some people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Weak audio. Okay, kindly adjust for maybe you can increase your volume. Sir will also speak little louder. Don't worry about it. ठीक है. So let's start directly straight to the point, guys. So मेरा question ये है सुरेश सर को, sir, that as the title of the video is saying that we have almost like 7 months to prepare for the GATE exam. That is, we are already in the July, so they are having the exam in February. If we count down, exactly it is the 7 months. Sir, 7 months में preparation आज अभी शुरू किया तो जैसा फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स और पास आउट स्टूडेंट्स भी है सर, अगर ये अभी प्रिपरेशन शुरू किया तो इज इट पॉसिबल टू क्रैक द गेट एग्जाम सर?
Yes, Bhima sir, this is a very valid thing. 7 months, is it sufficient or not? It's absolutely sufficient given the 8 to 10 subjects that we have. At the rate of, even if you go for 1 month and the last month picking up with 2 to 3 subjects, 7 months is sufficiently good time. If you say 3 months, 2 months crash courses, that's a different thing. It will be tough. But any student at 0 level, even if you have missed a lot of things in your BTech, I'm very sure students, even if you have a lot of things missed in BTech में अगर कुछ नहीं पढ़ा तो भी, you can start your preparation because that is a ground that we start with. हम लोग जिस लेवल से शुरू करते हैं उसके लिए 7 महीने काफी हैं. At what rate, sir? At what rate? Let's say at the rate of 5 hours per day, listening for 2 sessions. At the rate of 5 hours per day, even if you're working professional, even if you're a student, I'm sure students 7 months is a very good time. If you start properly by listening to classes, by doing the practice questions, by doing the previous year questions, you can surely manage it because it's a very good sufficient time. That's it, sir.
Yeah. So guys, Sir is telling that Sir का जितना भी experience है, I think more than 20 years का experience. So you might be a very little child by the time Star started his career as a teacher. So throughout the India, Sir is having a very good experience. So Sir is having regular contact with the toppers of the GATE exam. So he has guided so many students. With his experience, Sir is saying that 7 months time is sufficient to start the preparation, but आपका dedication अच्छी से होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं, if you have 1 year of time, you have a luxury such that you can take a breaks in between, you can prepare relaxedly. वो luxury अभी नहीं मिलेगा आपको, but आप seriously अभी से शुरू किया तो भी definitely you can guys. So because you have 7 months of time, if you count down, it is 200 days. 200 days में कम से कम if you prepare 10 hours per day, it counts to be 2000 hours. 2000 hours may, if you remove 500 hours also, 1500 hours of preparation is more than enough. If you spend for 800 hours for your attending the lectures, remaining 8 hours for your preparation, yes, it is more than enough. So technically it is not impossible. Yes, you can start your preparation. So मेरा suggestion ये भी है, अगर आप थर्ड ईयर से प्रिपेयर कर रहा हो तो ठीक है, yes, this is also a right time and right opportunity guys. अभी थोड़ा सा अच्छी से प्रिपेयर करके एक अटेम्प्ट दे दो. You may be preparing 80% of your syllabus, no problem. Next year you may give for your 100% attempt, but whatever you prepare now, you should not repeat that in the next year. जैसा आपका प्रिपरेशन इस साल में कुछ करते हैं ना, इसको एडवांटेज ऐसा होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट ईयर यू शुड नॉट रिपीट द सेम सब्जेक्ट अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है. सो 7 months इज सफिशिएंट टाइम फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन गाइस, नो डाउट इन इट. सो अभी प्रिपेयर किया तो भी, स्टार्ट किया तो भी, यू कैन डू इट. Sir, what is your suggestion for third year students and second year students, sir? Abhi to they start their preparation. Will you suggest them to complete the total syllabus for the third year students, or will they prepare selectively? Which one is your suggestion, sir?
So that's one big doubt everybody is asking. Should we complete preparation 100% once, or should we make it in 2 installments of 50%, 50%? My suggestion, students, with my best of the best experience, you prepare all the subjects so that you get a complete idea of all the subjects, and write the GATE exam in third year, face it, you'll know your loopholes then. Instead, if you prepare 3 subjects and 4 subjects, you may or may not be very confident with the 3-4 subjects. That results in lot of loopholes in the other subjects. आपको नहीं पता कि बाकी subjects में कितने tough topics हैं, and then you will be in the verge of saturation. तो मेरी मानो तो आप लोग एक बार पूरे सब्जेक्ट्स रिवाइज कर लो, पूरे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ लो, उसके बाद आपको समझ में आ जाए कि भाई ईएमटी में ये टफ है, नेटवर्क्स में ट्रांजिएंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिजिटल में ये लूपहोल है मेरा. सो दैट वे यू विल हैव एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ द एंटायर सब्जेक्ट, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि गेट क्रैक करने में 3-4 सब्जेक्ट से होगा नहीं. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स वंस, maybe conceptually without the exam questions if you're in second year, because in second year you cannot reach to the levels of handling exam questions directly. कम से कम पूरे concepts एक बार पढ़ लो.
Yes, sir.
So my suggestion is, students, prepare all the subjects in the next 7 months to an extent of as much as possible. If you're in second year, if you're in third year students, you should also reach to the levels of writing the exam लिखने के level तक जाना है आपको. So obviously, sir, that's my suggestion.
ओके गाइस, सो सर का सजेशन तो ये है, थर्ड फाइनल ईयर राउंड पास आउट्स को कोई एग्जाम्शन तो नहीं है, इसमें डिस्कस करना भी नहीं चाहिए. आप लोग तो कंपलसरी प्रिपेयर करना ही चाहिए. सो थर्ड ईयर सेकंड ईयर को अभी तो चॉइस है. सो सर का सजेशन एंड मेरा सजेशन भी ये है, थर्ड ईयर में इफ यू आर देयर, you give your attempt sincerely. Okay, try to complete your syllabus. If it is not possible, at least 80% or 70% according to your available time while you are going for the college and whatever the projects etc you are doing, according to you, make it, but give a sincere attempt. You don't give the exam with 2-3 subjects just to qualify. It will not make any difference in the next year. Next year आप freshly start करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Whatever you work today, it should help you next year also. That is for second year and third year. Second year अभी तो compulsory basic subjects तो complete करना चाहिए. So मेरा पास एक question है sir, the sequence of subjects they need to follow. Okay guys, I will suggest you this one. Okay, the sequence of subjects is starting level पे you can start any basic subject. It can be control systems, it can be signals and systems, network analysis, digital circuits. And also there are independent subjects for EC students like EMFT and EDC. I'm not saying they are easy subjects but independent. For those subjects आपको जो prerequisite नहीं चाहिए, but जैसा आप prepare करना with communications, machines or power systems, power electronics, whatever maybe we call it as a core subjects, इसमें आपको क्या communications, if you want to study you need signals का basics. So there is a relation for the next subject and this subject. जैसा you want to study computer organization, you need to know the digital circuits. So there's don't start this your preparation with the advanced level subjects. You can start with any basic subject. You can start with the networks, you can start with the signals, controls, digital, any of your subject, but select the subject such that आपका interest should be increasing. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक आपका एक बार शुरू किया तो इसके बाद आपका इंटरेस्ट जा रहा है, सर मैं तो बहुत टफ फील कर रहा है, मैं तो बहुत डीमोटिवेट हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. स्टार्ट विथ 1 or 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. इफ यू हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम टेक 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. इफ यू डोंट हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम टेक 1 सब्जेक्ट आल्सो, इट इज इनफ. बट मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी. इनिशियली ऐसा है सर मैं तो 4 सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट डे में प्रिपेयर करेगा सर, एक वीक के बाद बंद हो जाएगा सर, मेरा से नहीं हो पा रहा है सर, बहुत नेगेटिविटी आएगा, 15 डेज ब्रेक लेता हूँ, बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करता हूँ, ऐसा मत करना. स्टार्ट विथ मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स गाइस. स्टार्ट विथ 1 सब्जेक्ट और 2 सब्जेक्ट. स्लोली आपका लोड इंक्रीज करना चाहिए. यू कैन आस्क एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस गाइस. सुरेश सर इज विद अस, ही कैन आंसर यू बेटर. सो गाइस एनी अदर क्वेरीज इफ यू हैव रिगार्डिंग योर प्रिपरेशन, प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क.
So electrical students and EC students,
Yeah.
my suggestion is one core subject and one common subject you keep finishing.
Yes sir.
Especially electrical, your syllabus is very vast. You have almost 80% of EC topics and a few additional machines and vital things like machines and power systems.
Yes.
So you have to take a pace where you are finishing off at least learning 2 subjects per day. Learning 2 subjects per day. You may learn it for 2 months or you may learn it for 1.5 months, but learn 2 subjects per day, morning 1, evening 1. That's always
Yes,
my
sir.
suggestion for electrical students, especially 2 is mandatory to begin with because this is already July.
Okay. Yes sir, one more question from the students. Sir, ये क्वेश्चन है, बहुत रेगुलर क्वेश्चन भी है सर. When they need to complete their syllabus, because revision is very important. So up to the end of the exam they cannot prepare for the GATE exam continuously. So positively when they need to complete their syllabus.
Students, as far as completion of this syllabus or completion is concerned, when you finish one subject, you immediately do the test series and previous year questions and put it in revision mode. So one subject you are finishing, test series you finished, previous year questions are finished, you put it in revision mode and go to the second one. So on every subject you finish off. So by the time you finish 5-6 subjects, there are a lot of subjects to revise. So it so happens that 5-6 subjects you have to revise frequently. It delays the process of learning. So in this rate, after you finish 6-7 subjects, your revision is more heavy than learning the current subject. Retaining the old subjects is more important than the current subject. So in that circumstances, I feel December 31st is a good deadline, sir.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Positively, if you started your preparation last year, you may complete by October itself your syllabus. November, December first revision, January second revision, test series. This is a positive way. But अभी आपका preparation शुरू किया तो you cannot syllabus will not reduce according to your starting day. So ending day तो fix हो गया, आपका syllabus तो fix हो गया. Only variable आपके पास जो है तो it is the starting day of your preparation. So when you start your preparation late, it doesn't mean that you can complete early with the other competence. So be practical, guys. So अभी आपका preparation शुरू किया तो make December 31st as the date or deadline for completing your preparation of the total syllabus. Don't study anything new in the next month of January and February. Completely dedicated for revision and test series only. And also Suresh sir has given very good point, guys. So most common mistake ये होता है, आप लोग क्या करेगा सर, एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया, रिविजन में बाद में करेगा सर, नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट शुरू करेगा, प्रैक्टिस बाद में करेगा सर, PYQs बाद में करेगा सर, ऐसा मत करना. Once you complete any subject completion का मतलब ये होता है you should compulsory do all the previous year question papers. Then only it makes that it is a completion of the subject. Parallelly, please practice any subject when you are preparing. Parallelly practice all the previous year questions of GATE and ESE. This is compulsory, guys. Don't miss this thing. And also test series. Okay, we have a free test series in Unacademy. Well, if you are a Plus user, there also you have a test series. In both the cases Once your subject is running, do it parallelly. Don't wait up to the end of all the subjects. It's a common mistake hota hai. Test series is not to check your marks performance. It is just to check the common mistakes you will do in the exam. Silly mistakes that to be avoided in the exam. So जैसा सुरेश सर ने बताया, 2 points please keep it in your mind. Complete your syllabus by December end. Second point ये है, parallelly do your previous year questions and test series guys, don't miss it. Sir, right, how many hours you need to prepare, sir? This is another regular questions we face and the students also asking. So how many hours a student should prepare?
If you're a dedicated student who have finished your BTech and only doing your preparation, you have to spend 8 hours per day minimum, of which 4 hours to 6 hours is listening to classes, and
Yes.
2 hours for revising or your own hard work or your own preparation. So what I feel is 8 hours is mandatory for who have completed their BTech. They have to dedicate 8 hours. Those who are in your BTech now, those who are having colleges, suggestion is you have to give 4 to 6 hours, extending on weekends. 4 hours is minimum you have to give.
Yeah.
So that it can be 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, and extend this timing in weekends, Saturdays and Sundays.
Yes.
Which may be listening to a live class or a recorded class, which may be your own preparation or it may be a teacher's guidance. But 4 hours is the minimum of the minimum you have to put in, which can be extendable up to 6 hours students for if you're having a relaxed job or if your college pressure is not very heavy, you can go up to 6 hours also. But minimum 2 subjects, 4 to 6 hours for the college goers and second years and third years.
Okay.
Sir, that's my suggestion.
यस सर, परफेक्टली करेक्ट. सो गाइस, मैं तो जस्ट थोड़ा सा रीट्रेट करना चाहिए सुरेश सर का पॉइंट समराइज. सो सुरेश सर इज सेइंग दैट आप तो पास आउट है तो इफ यू हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम, आप तो फुल टाइम ड्रॉपर है तो फुल टाइम प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए, तो कम से कम 8 घंटे देना चाहिए और अप टू 10 आवर्स आल्सो, सच दैट योर बॉडी शुड कोऑपरेट विथ यू गाइस. डोंट ओवरलोड इमीडिएटली इन द स्टार्टिंग डे ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन. हमेशा थोड़ा सा स्लो स्टार्ट करो, थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करो. एवरी वीक हाफ एन आवर लोड इंक्रीज करके you go to the next level. Don't directly go to the higher level. First day of the preparation, 10 hours I want to prepare, don't do it. So those who are going to college, and most of the people are already commenting, those who are working somewhere, for both of them the strategy is same guys. कम से कम आप 4 घंटा प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, and it optimum तो 6 होता है. It depends on your work timing and your college timing, whatever may be, but you people must compulsory utilize weekends. Sacrifice your weekends guys. Don't take the luxury of taking holiday on the weekends. That option is not available for you. You should take the relaxation of half day in a week, it is fine, but utilize the maximum on the weekends. Mainly working professionals, you will be having the holiday on Sunday or weekends or whatever may be festivals etc. You should utilize it. You should have a proper plan before going to it. ठीक है. So how to, one more question ये है, how to improve our efficiency. This is what I want to say guys. हमेशा आपका प्रिपरेशन प्लान्ड वे पे जाना चाहिए. प्लान्ड वे पे जाएंगे तो इट विल ऑलवेज गिव यू एफिशिएंसी. इट इज वेरी हार्ड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर 6 months और 1 year ऑन ए सेम एग्जाम विदाउट राइटिंग द एग्जाम, वेटिंग फॉर द रिजल्ट, एंड आफ्टर रिजल्ट के बाद आपको सीट मिलेगा, इसके बाद यू विल बी एंजॉयिंग. ऐसा नहीं. आप क्या करना चाहिए, आपका प्रिपरेशन में एवरी सिंगल स्टेज एंजॉय करना चाहिए. सो कंपलसरी ये काम करो, शॉर्ट टर्म टारगेट्स रखो. शॉर्ट टर्म टारगेट्स जीतने के बाद यू सेलिब्रेट इट विद द हैप्पीनेस दैट विल ड्राइव ए मोटिवेशन to prepare for the next. So every single day keep your target and achieve that target, but make that target realizable. Don't take the target which is unrealizable, and every day you fail your target, it will demotivate and you will stop your preparation guys. So आपको ये चाहिए थोड़ा सा motivate करने के लिए source. That source will come from your inner only. जैसा we don't come every day and motivate you every single day. That will come, we will come in a while, we will motivate you fine, but it will stay for half an hour or 15 minutes. इसके बाद you will not remember anything here. ठीक है. But आपका खुद से motivation आएंगे तो you will remember. So self motivation के लिए हमेशा short goals रखो. ठीक है. आज मैं ये प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूं, सो एक वीक का, अभी संडे है तो नेक्स्ट वीक का आज ही प्रिपरेशन का टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए. सो दिस वीक आई एम गोइंग टू दिस, एवरीथिंग मस्ट बी प्लान्ड गाइस. नेक्स्ट वीक आप क्या कर रहे हैं, मंडे का टारगेट क्या, ट्यूसडे का टारगेट क्या, सभी टारगेट्स रख के अचीव करो. मेक इट रियलाइजेबल. आपका जितना भी टाइम है तो यू कैन नॉट मैन्युफैक्चर द टाइम. आपके पास जितना भी टाइम है तो उस समय पे मेक इट, नो प्रॉब्लम इट, बट मेक इट रियलाइजेबल. achieve the short term goals and you can do it. So overall what we want to say is 7 months is sufficient, but आपको dedicatedly जाना चाहिए. Go with some proper planning, definitely you will be able to do it. So जैसा थर्ड ईयर कॉलेज गोएस है तो कम से कम 4 से 6 घंटा देना, वीकेंड्स में ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना. पास आउट्स है तो आप 8 से 10 घंटा अभी से हर दिन दे दो and complete your preparation by December end, and after that you completely concentrate on revision and test series only. So let's go for few words about our upcoming batches in Unacademy Plus guys. So थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में भी information देना चाहिए we people, because after so many days, yes, we are going to start one complete English batch. So this is something great. So Suresh sir will explain about this batch. This batch is going to start from July 14th. Hindi batch is going to start also. That is a different case. And Ankit sir is going to start machines. I am going to start network analysis in Hindi from July 14th. No doubt in it. इसके अलावा we are going to start one completely dedicated English batch. The students who can't understand Hindi, for those people we are going to start it. So Suresh sir, can you explain about this particular batch, sir?
Students, this batch is completely in English because actually we teach in Hindi English most of the batches. So हमने सोचा कि let me speak in English.
Yeah.
And this is almost my first English batch, and every teacher will be teaching in English. Rest all the content wise, everything is going to be the same as the standards we maintain in any batch. The medium is made convenient for most of the people who can't understand Hindi. Instead of bilingual, we are making it strictly single language of English. A similar course will be there even for Hindi also, no doubt. But this is majorly for English, in which I am starting with EDC in the evening at 8:30, and Vishnu sir is starting with signals and systems in the morning. And later on, Bhima Sankar Sir will join us, and he'll be joining us for networks. He'll be joining us for digital. He'll be joining us computer organization. I'll be there handling electromagnetics, my favorite subject. Vishnu sir handling communications. So controls, analog, every subject is going to be catered to students, and promptly the syllabus will be completed by December ending.
Yeah.
Promptly. That's how we are going to manage the schedules. And of course, right now there's 2.5 hour slot. Vishnu sir's, mine is a 2-hour slot. Later on, of course, we'll make it 2.5 hour slots and we'll manage it. But promptly in 6 months, we are going to finish it, students.
Yes, this is a pre-planned what we call batch where we are planning to complete total syllabus. This is the tentatively schedule, guys. These two subjects are going to start on July 17. That is your signals and system. It is a common subject for EC and WG students, and EDC for the EC students. So signals and system by Vishnu sir and EDC by Suresh sir. Both are I think कम से कम 20 years का experienced faculty है. I hope you know they are the top educators of the country, no doubt in it. You will be enjoying the class. That too, you are having the luxury of listening the class in English, because we have the batches in Hindi because of the demand of the students. We teach in Hindi also, but now we have a batch for completely dedicatedly English. So those who can't understand, for them also will help. But doubts can be asked in any language. So Suresh sir knows 3 languages: Telugu, Hindi, English. 3 languages में सार तो explain करेगा, help करेगा. Doubts के लिए कोई भी restriction नहीं होता है. सो इस बैच के अंदर हम तो थोड़ा सा नोट्स एवरीथिंग स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में देने के लिए एंड डेडिकेटेड टेलीग्राम चैनल एवरीथिंग वी आर प्लानिंग इट. वी विल कम आउट विथ ऑल द इनिशिएटिव्स. सो बट दिस इज द बैच फॉर सेकंड ईयर्स, थर्ड ईयर्स, फाइनल ईयर्स, दोज हु वांट टू स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन फॉर गेट 2022 and 2023. definitely join this batch, guys. This is the best batch and best chance you will be getting it. So I hope you know the new features are added in Unacademy Plus subscription, which makes you more and more valuable now with the lowest possible fee, guys. आपको structured batch मिलेगा, last 10 years solid questions, नया feature भी add हो गया to raise your hand with, and you can converse. You will be having a audio conversation with the educator. These are the new features. Those are exclusively on Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. So these are the details we want to share, guys. You can take the subscription with any of our code, whether it is VSRS22 or Shankar 10 or any of us, Jaisa Vishnu sir ka, Trinadra Reddy sir ka, any code you can use. It is up to your wish. You can use your favorite educator, but don't delay your decision, guys. July 14th is the day where you need to start your preparation for the new batch. So don't delay it, guys. So please keep this point in your mind. It is a completely English batch. This is first of its kind. After a long time this batch is going to come. Please utilize this opportunity. Sir, any last words, sir?
Students, language is never a barrier for learning. If you have the interest, any language is the same. So no doubt this English batch is keeping into account a few students who want only English, but Hindi students or anybody, you're welcome students.
Yeah.
Helping you at any time, we're always there to help you. If you ask us to speak in Hindi for a while, or if you have a doubt in Hindi, you can ask it, no doubt. But of course, students will also go for exclusive Hindi batches also. So we're just making out more reachable to you, that's all, nothing more than that. So all of you are welcome, entire India is welcome, students. Thank you, Bhima sir, thanks a lot for...
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for your time, sir. So guys, that's all about your today's session, guys. So utilize this opportunity, guys. आपका preparation अभी से seriously शुरू करना चाहिए. Take this session into mind. Don't take it as a casual session. You attend करका end करके then you will be forgetting. ऐसा नहीं. Take it seriously, guys. So this is an informative session for you guys. Don't. I mean, I want to say one thing. You need to utilize this. Just attending the session will not give anything. Follow the session. Okay. Thank you very much. Any other last query from the students? Who teaches networks? July 17th. I will teach only Balu. Don't worry about it. Okay. I will be teaching July 14th networks on Hindi batch. Hindi batch mein I will be teaching later. In English batch also I will be coming. Okay. VS Sir is starting EMFT in English, and Vishnu sir is going to start signals on English, that is morning, and EMT on the evening. Any other questions? Yes, Shivakumar, I will teach in English also. Presently, मेरा batch तो Hindi batch will be starting on July 14th. ठीक है? Right. Aditya sir, I think control systems. Okay, Chanakeswar Reddy. So love you all, guys. Thank you very much for your time. All the very best. I hope you will succeed in your exam. So utilize your time, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.